Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. Presbyopia. Presbyopia is vision defect when the ability of accommodation of the eye usually decreases with aging. This happens due to gradual weakening of ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of eye lens. This effect can be seen in aged persons. For most people, the near point gradually recedes away. They find it difficult to see nearby objects clearly and distinctly. Sometimes a person may suffer from both myopia and hypermetropia with aging. Now observe the pictures whether vision is clear or blurred. You know very well, a healthy person can see nearby objects as well as distant objects clearly. But a person of presbyopia cannot see nearby objects as well as distant objects. When the object is at the point of least distance of distinct vision, the vision is blurred. If we move the object up to some extent from the eye, the vision is blurred. But after the next point, the vision is clear. The point of minimum distance at which a person can see the object is called the near point. And after near point, the vision is clear, but it is up to some extent only. After that point, the vision is blurred. So, the point of maximum distance at which a person can see the object is called far point. Beyond far point, the vision is blurred. So, if the object is between the point of least distance of distinct vision and near point, the vision is blurred. If the object is between near point and far point, the vision is clear. If the object is beyond far point, the vision is blurred. That means between H and L, eye lens cannot form image on retina. At the same time, beyond far point also, eye lens cannot form image on retina. But between the near point and far point, eye lens can form clear image on retina so that a person can see objects clearly. That is, the person suffering from presbyopia with two defects, myopia and hypermetropia, can see the object when it is between near point and far point only. If the object before near point or after far point, the person of presbyopia with two defects cannot see the objects clearly. To correct this type of defect of vision, we need bifocal lenses, which are formed using both concave and convex lenses. Bifocal lens consists of concave lens in its upper portion and convex lens in its lower portion. By concave lens, man able to see the distant objects, and by convex lens, he can able to see nearby objects. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel Das Academy of Science.